back to my channel. For today's video we have another unboxing. This is the week of unboxings on my channel because I have quite a few different boxes and things coming in that I want to do unboxings of. So I will be posting Monday to Friday for this week, which is why you are seeing me on a Tuesday when you don't usually. For today's unboxing we have this one from Asos. This is the Ultimate Haircare box. I do believe Asos release 1 or 2 boxes every single month. This was something I was only made aware of in the past month or two. They do usually release skincare or makeup boxes, but this one is solely hair care. So these boxes are £12 plus delivery. I believe they are £12 every month. Say I've only been kind of aware of their existence for the past couple of months, and this was the first one that really caught my eye. There is one product in here in particular that was the reason why I purchased this box. At the point that I am filming this, I believe there was still some limited stock available on their website, but I know these boxes are extremely popular and do sell out really quickly. So I will leave a link in the description box below if this box is still available, but at the point this video is going live, I can't promise that it will be. But why don't I show you what's contained inside? I really like the packaging on the lid of this one, and I don't know if that is something they change up every single time, but I say it does have October's box on the side. And beneath the tissue paper we have the products contained in here. First one is from Bumble and Bumble, and this is the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. This is a hot oil concentrate. This is a product that I haven't heard of before, and to be honest, one I'm not too sure what I need to do with it. It says here on the side, this Luxe treatment deeply moisturizes parched strands thanks to a concentrated dose of our 6 oil blend boosted with omega rich castor oil. The hair is left nourished and smooth. I was going to say it doesn't actually say how to apply it, but it does say there is an enclosure inside, which is helpful. So this is how the product comes. This reminds me of, is it VO5 oil? I think they used to have a kind of treatment like this that I always remember my mum used to use when I was little. So it says to place the tube in warm water for 1 minute and then apply to dry hair. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse with your favourite shampoo and conditioner. Use once weekly and it is colour safe. So I am really intrigued by this. I did think it was something you maybe applied on wet hair. So it's something I need to do before I get in the shower and wash my hair. So I'm really excited to give this a go because this is definitely something different that I haven't tried before. Then we have this product from the Hair Boss, which is a rather large product. It's 150ml. This says it is a pre-shampoo scrub to remove build-up from the scalp and hairline, helps to reduce dandruff and stimulate hair follicles, helps to improve scalp health. So I've not tried a scalp scrub before, but I have always been intrigued. Not enough to go and actually purchase one. So when I seen that I could get one as part of this box, I thought it was worth a go. I didn't think it would be this large of a product. This is going to last a good while, so I'm really excited to give this one a go and see what it's like, and I really like the packaging on this one as well. So this one says you need to do it in sections and you part your hair and squeeze small amounts onto the scalp and massage. Follow this process until the whole scalp has been covered. Then once finished, rinse thoroughly and follow with one of the shampoos. So yeah, excited to give that a go. Next we have the product which was pretty much the main reason why I purchased this box, and this is a product from Olaplex. This is the number 6 Bond Smoother. So this is a full-size product which is a 100ml, and this product alone retails for, I think it's £26. Bearing in mind I've paid £12 plus shipping for this box. It was a bargain just to get this, never mind the other products that I've got as well. So this says it's a leave-in reparative styling cream, reduces frizz, nourishes and protects. I've heard so many amazing things about this brand as of late. People saying that they are definitely a game changer when it comes to your hair. I have been having a constant battle with frizzy hair all my life, and I've never found a product to be that absolute game changer. So I do kind of have high hopes for this one. But for the fact that I have only paid £12 for it is an absolute bonus. And again, when I'd ordered it, I hadn't appreciated until looking into it that it was actually the full size. I thought I was getting a sample of this. I did not appreciate until I looked into it further that 100ml is actually the full size. So I'm really excited to give this one a go and see if it can actually do anything to tame my frizz. Then we have a shampoo and conditioner duo, and this is from the brand Mane and Tail. These are both 60ml bottles, which for me I think is the perfect amount to be able to try a shampoo out. I have been trying quite a few shampoos of late because one I purchased recently just isn't working for me, so I've been wanting to try a couple of different ones, and I've been getting sachets of them, and I feel like, okay, it might be a bit better now my hair is shorter, but I never feel like there's enough product in those sachets to give a shampoo a proper go. So I think in 60ml I should be able to get one full use, if not a couple of uses, out of this bottle. So I'm excited to give this one a go. I have tried samples of their shampoos before, but I believe it was the hydrating one. I don't think it was the original one. I think I did actually go on to purchase a full size of the conditioner, which again was the hydrating one, which I've not yet opened because for me conditioner lasts forever. So I'm excited to see what the original formula is like, because it is quite a reasonably priced hair care brand should I wish to purchase the full size. I always see people saying that they go through conditioner faster than shampoo, but for me, I feel like I probably use like 5 times the amount of shampoo as to conditioner, but I do only condition from sort of halfway down my hair, so that could be why. But is anyone else used more conditioner than shampoo, or am I just the strange one that uses more shampoo? But anyway, excited to try this little duo from Mane and Tail. And then finally we have a product from Philip Kingsley. This is the Elasticizer, which is a deep conditioning treatment. Again, another product that I've heard so many great things about, but I've never actually tried. I don't tend to ever have the patience to do a kind of hair mask. I've had them in subscription services over the past couple of years, and I've always passed them on because I just never have the patience for it. I think I have kept a couple from recent boxes because I was determined to give them a go, but again, I've still never got round to it. So for this one, it says, before shampooing, thoroughly wet hair and apply in sections. Work into the hair, then cover with a shower cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes. The longer the better. Then rinse thoroughly and follow with a shampoo, conditioner and scalp toner. I'm not too sure what a scalp toner is. So this is a 40ml product, but that for me is the issue, where it's saying I need to wait for 10 to 20 minutes. And usually when I'm washing and drying my hair, etc., it's after my daughter has gone to bed and I've got everything sorted for the next day, and usually have about an hour before I need to go to sleep myself to wash, dry and straighten my hair. So having to put aside an extra 20 minutes to do a mask, I don't know if and when I will get round to it, but of all the masks and things I've received, this is the one I've kind of heard the most about, so I do want to try it. I might just have to make an excuse for a kind of pamper night and maybe stick it on while I'm in the bath or something. So I do want to try it, but this was just kind of like an added bonus in this box. It was mainly the Olaplex product that I was buying the box for. Hopefully you can see all them, but that is just a reminder of the products that were contained in this box. As I say, for £12, I think it is an absolute steal. To be honest, even taking out the Olaplex products, I would have still been happy with paying £12 for the other products contained in here, especially the size of this one, and my scalp could probably do with a good scrub because I don't think I've ever done it. But I think this is a great little box, and one I will definitely be keeping an eye on each month to see what items they have, and I'm really excited to break into this hair care. Just a reminder that I do have an ongoing giveaway on my channel. The video containing the giveaway will be linked in the description box below. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks!